Hello, welcome friends. Today we are going to see new concepts in GST in financial planning. Those concepts are input tax credit and that is ITC and output tax credit that is OTC. Before going to the practice set 4.2, we will see these concepts clearly. What is ITC? What is input tax credit? Input tax credit is a very simple concept. While a dealer or a wholesaler or a shopkeeper buys his objects, his things, he pays GST. He pays GST at the time of purchase. That tax is called as input tax credit, that is ITC. And when he sells that things, that object, that goods to another person, another dealer or customer, while selling he collects GST on the price of sale, and that GST is slightly greater than input tax credit, and this tax is known as output tax credit. The difference between input tax credit and output tax credit is excessive GST, which is to be paid to government again. Now again see the concept of GST, ITC and OTC. Here is production company. Here is first wholesaler, here is second retailer or wholesaler, and here is customer. See, when the goods produced here, it is sold to this person or this agency. While selling this agency pays GST. This GST is called as ITC. While this person sells or this agency sells these goods to this person or agency, while selling, this person again collects the GST from this person, and this is called ITC. OTC, output tax credit. And again this person also sells that goods, that things, that objects to this customer, and this customer pays again GST, and this is output tax credit in this transaction, and this is input tax credit in this transaction. I think you understand this concept. We will see the examples from 4.2. In 4.2, in question number 1, Chetna stores paid 1,500,000 GST while at the time of purchase and collected 1,22,500 GST while at the time of sale. Then we have to find the GST payable by Chetna stores. See, input tax credit, that is ITC, is equal to 1,500,000 rupees, and output tax credit, that is OTC, is equal to 1,22,500 rupees. Therefore, GST payable by Chetna stores is equal to OTC minus ITC is equal to 1,22,500 minus 1,500, that is 22,000 rupees. This amount is to be paid by Chetna stores. Now see the second question. Here Nazma is a proprietor of a firm which is registered under GST. While purchasing, she has paid 12,500 rupees GST, and while sale she has paid 14,750 GST. Then find the ITC, input tax credit, and payable GST. Here input tax credit is equal to 12,500 rupees. Output tax credit is equal to 14,750 rupees. Therefore, GST payable by Maths-1 is equal to OTC minus ITC, that is 14,750 minus 12,500. Here is 2,250 rupees is to be paid by Maths-1. Now see the third example. In this example, here are three different firms or dealers. Amir Enterprises, which pays 3,800 rupees while purchasing the goods, and it collects 4,100 rupees while selling the goods. This Akbari Brothers pays 4,100 rupees GST while purchasing the goods, and this Akbari Brothers collects 4,500 rupees GST while selling the goods. We have to find the GST, CGST and SGST at each stage. While transaction between Amir Enterprises and Akbari Brothers. ITC is equal to 3,800 rupees. OTC is equal to 4,100 rupees. Therefore, GST payable by Amir Enterprises is equal to OTC minus ITC is equal to 4,100 minus 3,800, that is 300 rupees. Therefore, CGST is equal to 300 divided by 2, that is 150. Therefore, SGST is equal to 300 divided by 2, that is 150. Now, while transaction between Akbari Brothers and Mayan Food Corner. Here ITC is 4,100 rupees, OTC is 4,500 rupees. Therefore, GST payable by Akbari Brothers is equal to OTC minus ITC, that is 4,500 minus 4,100, that is 400 rupees. Therefore, you have to convert this GST into CGST and into SGST, that will be 200 rupees each.